16 municipalities. Most of this population lives in riverside communities and small towns, with Saur and Salvaterra being the main tourist and urban centers, leaving vast expanses of untouched fields and forests. But the history of Marajo did not begin with modern Brazil. Long before the arrival of Europeans, the island was the cradle of the sophisticated Marajora culture, which flourished between 400 and 1300 AD. They were the first great complex civilization of the Amazon, masters of agriculture and, above all, art. Their pottery, with intricate geometric designs and anthropomorphic figures,